So remember this glass from my last video? I don't know how careful you were watching my videos. Anyways, this glass comes on the tip of the formal dinner knife. All right. Now, all we need is a napkin to complete this. So we fold it in two and then we make it nice and simple. Nice and simple. Roll it, roll it, roll it, and just fold it. Because I know you have a lot of work to do. So let's place this here. Wow, this looks lovely. But give me the international terminology for napkin. And do comment below. Let's see.